Hey, fashion people! Welcome back to SeamLink Studios. This week, we're diving into some of the biggest news in fashion and apparel manufacturing. ASAP Rocky just took over Ray-Ban, Nike and SKIMS are teaming up, and Kith is stepping up their activewear game. But more importantly, what do these moves mean for the industry? And how can smaller brands take inspiration from these strategies? First up, ASAP Rocky has been announced as Ray-Ban's first ever creative director. This isn't just another celebrity collaboration. Ray-Ban Studios is setting the stage for a deeper fusion of music, culture, and eyewear. His debut project, the Blacked Out Collection, is expected this spring, featuring ultra-black lenses and gold-plated details. This collection is a perfect mix of vintage Ray-Ban aesthetics and modern street culture. But let's talk about the bigger industry picture. This move highlights how legacy brands are partnering with cultural influencers to stay relevant. This is something we've seen with Pharrell at Louis Vuitton and Tremaine Emory at Supreme. By bringing on figures like ASAP Rocky, brands are adding authenticity to their designs while reaching new demographics. For smaller brands looking to capitalize on influencer culture, it's not just about big names, it's about strategic partnerships. At SeamLink Studios, we help brands develop limited edition collections and capsule drops that align with their aesthetic and target audience. Whether it's custom trims, premium finishes, or unique packaging, we make sure every piece tells a story. Next up, the sportswear and shapewear worlds are colliding with the launch of NikeSKIMS. This collaboration is set to combine Nike's performance technology with SKIMS' inclusive sizing and body contouring expertise. The collection will roll out globally in spring 2025, with expansion into select markets in 2026. This partnership signals a major shift in activewear manufacturing. It's no longer just about performance, but fit, inclusivity, and lifestyle appeal. Consumers want functionality without sacrificing aesthetics, and brands are adapting by merging technical design with fashion-forward silhouettes. For brands looking to develop high-performance activewear, fabric selection is everything. SeamLink Studios specializes in sourcing moisture-wicking, breathable, and stretch-enhanced materials to create functional yet stylish sportswear. We also help brands navigate low MOQ options so they can start small before scaling production. Kith is stepping into the technical activewear space with their K-Tech line, launching alongside a collab with On Running for Spring/Summer 2025. This collection focuses on performance-enhancing materials like moisture-wicking honeycomb fabric and four-way stretch tricot. The goal? Bridging function and fashion, allowing wearers to seamlessly transition from workouts to daily wear. Kith is following in the footsteps of Fear of God, Athletics, Aimé Leon, Doors, collaborations with New Balance, and even Lululemon's menswear expansion. These brands are tapping into the growing demand for elevated activewear that looks just as good on the street as it does in the gym. At SeamLink Studios, we help brands develop their own technical apparel lines, from sourcing breathable, high-performance fabrics to ensuring durable construction for sportswear. The key to great activewear is balancing functionality, comfort, and design, and we work with brands to get that right. These moves from Ray-Ban, NikeSKIMS, and Kith all show how brands are blending fashion, function, and culture to stay relevant. Whether it's through celebrity-driven collaborations, technical advancements, or inclusive product offerings, the landscape of apparel manufacturing is evolving rapidly. If you're looking to develop custom apparel, high-performance activewear, or limited edition capsule drops, SeamLink Studios is here to help. We work with brands of all sizes to bring their vision to life, from fabric sourcing to full-scale production. Let me know in the comments, which of these drops are you most excited for? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more insights into apparel manufacturing and fashion trends. See you in the next one.
Questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and help your manufacturing journey.